Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Aegean application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then click on the More button down below, and after that you should scroll down to the settings section, tap on it, and then click on the first option, which is notifications. Tap on open settings, so you will be directed to your phone settings, where you need to click on notifications and the allow notifications button to enable the app to have access to your notifications. Then you can set these options. So if you want to get baggage belt notifications for your selected flights, then tap on this button in the right side, meaning that changes to these settings will only affect upcoming check-ins and will not update your currently checked-in flights, as it says. You can also turn on miles plus bonus notifications, but you need to be a premium member to do that. And you can also get informed about offers and contests, so tap on this last button if you want to do so. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.